This is Joe Peterson with MarineMax at Clearwater. I'm here today to show you our 17-foot Montauk brand new hull for Boston Whaler in 2018. This boat has now a built-in fuel tank. Also has a bait well underneath the reversible pilot seat. The boat is 4 inches wider, 5 inches longer, and over 200 pounds heavier than the older style hull. This boat comes equipped with a 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. You have your 3-step boarding ladder off the transom. Rod holders on either side, port and starboard. It's available with optional seats and a backrest. Climbing aboard the boat, you'll see the bait well. Very large size blue painted gel coated bait well. Seat flips back very nicely for the captain, or you can fish off the back end. Plenty of room in the cockpit for fishing or cruising. This is a really versatile boat by Boston Whaler. It's been one of their stalwarts for many years. Nice area on the console, very clean. Plenty of room for electronics. Tackle locker drawers to the starboard side of the console. Up front you'll have the removable cooler with backrest for poles. Nice large area up front for storage. It is insulated, and just like every Boston Whaler, this boat is 100% foam filled, level foam flotation, and the unsinkable legend that you're used to hearing about Boston Whaler. Also, you have the optional trolling motor plug-in up front. Bimini top goes with the package, along with the single axle galvanized trailer. This will make a family a very affordable but fun boat to enjoy with the family out there for just about anything you want to do. Fishing, cruising, water sports. Give us a call here at MarineMax at Clearwater. This is Joe Peterson. Our number is 727-536-2628. Thank you.